Hi Yacht Club members, I'm here to help you make your Yellowbird cocktail. By now you should have received your cocktail kit, and inside is everything you need to make your cocktails, including a recipe card with all of the details. So I'll help walk you through the steps. First we'll take the cocktail shaker and add a little bit of ice so we can chill it as we shake it. And then next we'll add the lime juice. So we need 2 ounces of lime. And 2. And next we'll juice the oranges. We need 2.5 ounces of orange juice. And so since they're a little bit big, and we are going to, I would suggest doing it by hand first. And next we move on to the good stuff. So we have the 2 ounces of light rum, and 2 ounces of dark rum, and then last but not least is the Galliano liqueur, and with that we're just doing a 1/2 ounce. And now we'll replace the lid to the shaker and give it a good shake. And then we'll pour evenly over the 2 cocktail glasses. And now it's time for your garnish. We have Luxardo cherries, which are delicious. Put a couple of those on your garnish pick. And then we have fresh mint. And then of course, no island drink would be complete without an umbrella. Cheers.